Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue easy. First, gather your ingredients: egg whites, granulated sugar, and a pinch of cream of tartar or lemon juice. Ensure all your equipment, especially the mixing bowl and whisk, are perfectly clean and grease-free. Cold egg whites are easier to separate, but room temperature egg whites whip up with more volume, so let them sit out for about 30 minutes. Start whipping your room temperature egg whites on a medium speed until they become nice and foamy. This is the perfect time to add a small amount of cream of tartar or lemon juice, which helps to stabilize the egg whites and prevent them from collapsing. Continue increasing the speed to medium-high until you see soft peaks forming, which means they hold their shape for a moment before gently flopping over. Once you have soft peaks, begin adding your granulated sugar very slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer is still running. This gradual addition helps the sugar dissolve properly and creates a stable meringue. Continue whipping until the meringue is wonderfully glossy and forms stiff, firm peaks that stand straight up. You can then gently fold in any flavorings, such as vanilla extract, for an extra touch. Now it's time to bake. Pipe or spoon your meringue onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at a low temperature, typically around 225 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 2 hours, or until they are crisp and dry. Turn off the oven and let them cool completely inside. Once cooled, store your beautiful meringues in an airtight container at room temperature to keep them fresh and crunchy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.